Why do 95% of successful traders swear by Forex? Welcome to the world of Forex trading, where your financial dreams can become a reality. Forex trading isn't just another market, it's the market. With the highest liquidity on the planet, you can dive in and out 24/5. That's right, trade anytime, anywhere. What's in it for you? Leverage your trades to maximize returns, pay lower transaction costs, and choose from diverse strategies that fit your style, whether you're a day trader or a long-term investor. But hold up, it gets even better. Join our community and get expert guidance from seasoned pros. Access a treasure trove of tutorials, webinars, and guides, and connect with a network of traders who've got your back. And here's the kicker. Sign up today and snag a bonus to jumpstart your journey. Yep, you heard right. Exclusive bonus just for you. Ready to take the plunge? Visit yourwebsite.com or call your phone number now. Your brighter financial future is just a trade away. Success is waiting. Transform your financial destiny with Forex trading.